Welcome to our Capstone project overview. In this exciting journey, we will be creating a 2.5D platformer in the Metroidvania style, blending exploration, combat, and creativity into one cohesive game development experience. Our Capstone project focuses on building a 2.5D Metroidvania style platformer. This genre blends classic slide scrolling action with modern visuals and deep level design. With inspiration from games like Hollow Knight and Ori and the Blind Forest, we will use Unity, C Sharp, and our creativity to develop a polished, immersive gameplay experience. The core of our game is built around exploration and progression. As players, we will explore and unlock new zones by acquiring new abilities like double jumping or dashing. This interconnected world design encourages us to backtrack, discover secrets, and build a deeper connection with the environment. Let's take a look at the core gameplay mechanics. We will implement responsive player movement with actions like wall jumps and dashes. Combat will involve both melee and ranged attacks. Puzzle elements will challenge players to interact with the environment, and a structured progression system will keep them engaged as they unlock new areas and abilities. Our world will be interconnected, and saving progress will be handled through checkpoints and autosaves. Visually, our game will feature a 2.5D aesthetic 3D visuals with 2D gameplay. Environments will range from mystical forests to underground ruins and high-tech labs. Our characters, from the protagonist to the enemies, will be stylized and animated for fluid interaction. Effects like dynamic lighting, particles, and layered backgrounds will bring the world to life. For development, we will be using Unity as our main engine and C Sharp for scripting. Blender or Pro Builder will help us create and design levels and models. For textures and UI, tools like Photoshop or Illustrator will be essential. Finally, we will use Audacity and Freesound to handle all our audio needs, from ambient sounds to impactful effects. Our work will follow a structured timeline. In the first 2 weeks, we will focus on movement, camera, and basic level layout. Weeks 3 and 4 are dedicated to implementing combat and enemy AI. By weeks 5 and 6, we will build out the save system and map transitions. Finally, we will spend the last phase refining polish, visual effects, and final boss design. Through this capstone, we will master how to implement 2D gameplay using 3D tools. We will fine-tune player controls for a smooth and responsive experience. We will also learn how to design smart, interconnected levels, manage game data, and deliver a complete, polished game loop ready for players to enjoy. This capstone is our opportunity to build something truly epic. With creativity, dedication, and teamwork, we will push the limits of our design and development skills and bring this Metroidvania adventure to life. So let's get started.